Subledger accounting option. What is subledger accounting option? If you are assigned subledger accounting method to your ledger, the subledger accounting setup it will be displayed with the status of complete. If you did not assign, it will be not be displayed. You can update this any time on the accounting page. Subledger allows you to define how to generate the accounting entry. So it is automatic setup from 11 la on the subledger illa accounting generate panna here. So it is a default setup, just you have to give. That's what they are telling. If you give it, it will flow the journal from one module to other module. Okay. What is operating unit? See, whatever we do practically, the theoretically, what is that we are doing that inner now. Okay. As an operator primary ledger, what is in subledger data when multiple operating unit perform in the context of one or more legal entity. If you're using an accounting setup that has legal entity assigned, operating setup will be displayed. The status of the setup will be not started. So all related to practicals. Okay, setup based correct? So once you do the setup side by side, you have to do this intra company. So there is intra company and intra company. What is intra company? Intra company will be displayed in an intra company inside the company. Okay, interna outside. Assigned to same ledger, legal entity or ledger. Okay, so balancing segment on the within same legal entity. So I mean, in my ledger, I am having three companies, 01, 02, 03. So within that, if I do, it is called intra company. Okay, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is setup. Second ledger we already seen, it is assigned at balance level, journal level, subledger level, adjustment level. There are 4 data conversion level for second ledger. Repeated then it is given very detailed. Okay, subledger level padinga
Subledger level secondary ledgers. Subledger level secondary level maintains an additional accounting representation of these subledger journals, journal entries, and balances. The subledger level secondary ledger is maintained using both subledger accounting and the general ledger posting program. By assigning two different subledger accounting methods to the primary and secondary ledger, you can use subledger accounting rules to simultaneously account for the same legal entity transaction in both ledgers. This allows you to maintain multiple accounting representation of this single subledger transaction and have the different subledger journals produced in each ledger. Subledger accounting integrates data from both Oracle and non-Oracle transaction sources. For a list of transaction sources that integrate with the Oracle Ledger accounting, query them in Subledger application page available from the Subledger accounting setup menu. When entering Subledger transaction using Oracle financial subledgers that integrate with Subledger accounting automatically generates the appropriate accounting entries to both the primary and secondary ledgers in general ledger based on the accounting rules defined for a particular subledger accounting method. Okay. Journal conversion rules.
So what is subledger level secondary ledger now? Subledger level secondary ledger maintain an additional accounting representation of the subledger journal. So it is an additional accounting representation. Already you are having a primary ledger transaction. Subledger journal, journal entry and balance. In the moon type okay. It's maintained both subledger accounting and the general ledger posting program. The subledger level it is both the subledger accounting and the general ledger posting. By assigning two different subledger accounting method to the primary and secondary ledger. Among the subledger assigning two method, okay, two accounting method you can use secondary ledger subledger accounting rules to simultaneously account for the same legal entity in both ledger. So subledger accounting on the simultaneously it will account it. Multiple accounting representation of a single subledger transaction have the different subledger journals. So one subledger transaction, அதாவது ஏபில இருந்து ஒரு ஜேர்னல் வந்தா 2 type of accounting, primary, secondary, ரெண்டு விதமான அக்கவுண்டிங்ல போகும். ஓகே, நல்ல லாஜிக். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு இது வருது கேஷ் டு சேல்ஸ்னு வருதுன்னா, கேஷ் டு சேல்ஸே வந்து 31st டிசம்பர், இப்போ 1st மேனா அது ஒரு இயர்ல போகும், இது ஒரு இயர்ல போகும், இல்லை அது ஒரு அக்கௌண்டிங் மெத்தடு. புரியுதுங்களா? அது அக்ரூவல் மெத்தட் இதுன்னா அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி போகும். இன்டகிரேட் ஃபார் போத் ஆரக்கிள் அண்ட் நான் ஆரக்கிள். Entering subledger using Oracle Finance and subledger automatically. Okay, clear. Okay, va? Journal conversion rates. By default, the following type of journal are replicated in the second ledger using general ledger posting and subledger. Journal created by subledger that do not use subledger accounting. So subledger accounting use பண்ணாத Oracle subledger create ஆகுறது journal conversion rule. Manual journal entry வராது. அது primary ledgerல manual போட்டா it is not coming from other subledgerல. It is directly in GL. So that will not affect this one. Okay. Journal from spreadsheet or non-Oracle system, web ADI or other interface நீங்க பண்ணீங்கன்னா அது டைரக்டா it will come through GL interface to primary ledger. It will not affect. Each time you post the journal in the primary ledger, automatically to the propagated to the secondary ledger unless you define currency conversion journal conversion rule to exclude the journal sources. Okay, so while making you are excluding some journal source, my journal source sales, payables, receivable, or payroll, if you are excluding it from being transferred, it will restrict from being transferred to second ledger. So by having journal conversion rule, you can restrict what all should not be passed to the secondary ledger. Default journal to use the journal source not transferred to move or merge, reversal, revaluation, subledger sources that use subledger account. So default, these are all not transferred to the subledger. Move or merge na you see in fixed asset. Merge பண்றது ரெண்டு asset. Merge, reversal, revaluation, revaluation வராது. Subledger sources that use subledger accounting. Okay. So what is journal level secondary ledger? Journal level secondary ledger is an additional accounting representation maintained using the journal level posting, general ledger, GL posting only. இது நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? But they are giving in detail. Balance level na only balance will go. Okay. Adjustment only second ledger, manual adjustment, creating automatic adjustment using a subledger method. Adjustment only second ledger are useful if you don't need composing, you can perform. Adjustment is not sufficient for companies that operate in country record company to have two complete ledger, for one for statutory, one for corporate. Suppose in India, you are having one for statutory accounting, income tax, one for Companies Act. Both are different. Companies account tax rate different, income. So you have to maintain two books. Okay. Angalla on the enna solran, it is not sufficient. Adjustment for second ledger does not make the complete accounting. So verum adjustment on the complete accounting la varadu. You have to make a second ledger. Adha solran. It only made the adjustment. Use a ledger. கண்டிப்பா நீங்க செகண்ட் லெஜர் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, புரியுதா? இப்போ இந்தியாவில் வந்து ஒவ்வொன்றும் கம்பெனிஸ் ஆக்ட். நான் ஃபிக்ஸட் அசெட் கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு 60% இன்கம் டேக்ஸ் போடுவேன், ஆனால் கம்பெனிஸ் ஆக்டில் 30% சொல்லுவான். ஸோ டிப்ரிசியேஷன் வேரி ஆகும், ரேட் வேரி ஆகும், அக்கௌண்டிங் என்ட்ரி வேரி ஆகும். இந்த மாதிரி எவ்ரி திங் வில் ஹேவ் சேஞ்ச்னா யூ ஹவ் டு கம்பல்சரிலி யூஸ் த செகண்டரி லெஜர். ஓகே, the report on the ledger set using the general ledger finance automatically summarizes to the ledger set. Enable to group ledger together or obtain processing similarities such as opening, closing, adjustment only second ledger. Okay. Consolidated, so legal entity example கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. Okay, இது go through பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, using ledger for consolidation quiz. அது படிங்க, அதை படிச்சுட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கம்ப்ளீட் அக்கௌண்டிங் செட்டப், இதோட அக்கௌண்டிங் செட்டப் க்ளோஸ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பேசிக் ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரி. ஓகே, ஸோ அப் டு பேஜ் நம்பர் 373 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 207. ஓகே,
ஓகே,
அப் டு பேஜ் 207 ரீட் பண்ணணும் நீங்க ஃபுல் தியரி. ஓகே,
ஓகே, ஓகே.
And I think all the other flex field segment you know, so that you can read fully. Okay. First, give you one detailed reading.
Okay.
Then we'll see all the this one.